What's going on, YouTube? On March 8th, I spoke at a press event in front of the Apple Store in Boston, which was hosted by USPIRG, the organization that's spearheading the Right to Repair bill in Massachusetts. The event showcased USPIRG's Repair Scorecard, which you see here. This scorecard ranks the most popular cell phone and laptop makers for consumers that want to purchase easily repairable products. The twist is the score also includes whether the company is actively lobbying against right to repair. I ended up being quoted in an article by one of the biggest news stations here in Boston, which is always cool. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can read the article, and also check out that scorecard. Hopefully this helps spread the word about right to repair, and doesn't result in Tim Cook having me assassinated for desecrating for desecrating his Apple store. I can't say it.